Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hope everybody had your tea. And today it's all about Turtle. And today we're going to use Idle, not the Google Colab. The reason we are using Idle is so earlier we have used Google Colab, isn't it? So Google Colab doesn't support the Windows screen, where in the Turtle we would be getting a Windows screen. That's the reason, okay? So today we're going to use the Idle, okay? So we're going to use the Idle. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. Namaste. So we have 98 people live today. So, okay. So we'll start the session now. So to hope everybody know how to use the idle. Yes, everybody knows how to use the idle, right? Okay. To use the idle, I'll show you how you can use the idle. So for that, you have to download the Python program or Python IDE, Python SDK you have to download. So, okay, many says yes, fine, we'll continue then. So what you can do is you can use the idle. To use the idle, very simple. You have to go to your Windows. Once you install with the Python, you have to go to your Windows search bar and then type idle. That's it. So installation link, I'll try to put it over here. Python. Do you just go to, let me share the screen. You can just say Python download. Okay, so in that Python download, you can go ahead with the first link. Once you get this link, and you can just click on Python download. So if it's your, for me, it's a Mac, so it is going for a Mac OS. And you can just download for the Windows. So once you download, just double click on it, check all the parts, check all like where whatever it shows, you just check it. Okay, just click on check, 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 and you click on install. Once it gets installed, okay, once it's going to install, after that you can have to go for search. Windows it's a search, and if it's in Mac you have to go for launchpad, and then you can go ahead and just open that. Okay, I'll just share the link of this Python. So I'm sharing it in the chat. You can use this and go for that idle. Okay. So now how you can use it is very simple. You can see the launchpad over here, right? So hope everybody are able to see the launchpad. Yes, this is launchpad for the Mac, and if you are using the Windows, you have to use the search bar. Just go over here and type as idle, and then you can click on this idle. So once you click on this idle, it will open something like this. Okay, so here you can see that you can go for file and new file would be opened. Okay, so you have to give some title for this file. So I'll just make it as save as turtle day one or something. I'll just click on, I have just typed something and give here as turtle one. turtle1.py, and I will save this file. Okay, so here you can write the print statement or whatever needed. So let me type it down as hello world. Okay, I'll just save this, and to run this you can click on F5, or you have a button over here. Here you can see that hello world, it's visible over here. The output would be visible in the idle shell. Okay, so now this is how you can use the idle. Hope everybody are clear with the instruction of using idle, right? So okay, many are having a ma'am, do events class, internship class for online. Okay, I'm getting a lot of queries over here. to start with the internship online? Sure, Priyanka. We are having a plan to start with the academic internship, academic industrial internship. That means where you guys would be learning from scratch. For example, if you want to learn machine learning or if you want to learn deep learning, most probably online classes would be taken from me, and also with a combination of other trainers from Mebit Technologies. We are starting with a very lesser price for the paid internships. Internships paid means where you are going to pay. So this I'll announce it very sooner when the classes would be starting. So make sure that you guys would be attending as soon as once all the information would be shared in group. Okay, and also one more thing, a very important and very exciting news from our side is we have done with we are almost done with the MOU with VTU, and also we are ISO certified and also AICTE registered. So it's very useful if you are doing an internship with us as well. Pygame module. Okay, many are asking with the Pygame module. Okay, gamer is saying I will attend. Sure, very good. Because the offline here you can see that many people over here are attending from different places from Karnataka and different places from Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh as well, and also from Maharashtra as well. We are having the students over the online. So we want to make a very good platform online one-to-one session. That means everyday live would be there, not in the YouTube live for sure. We will be having it in Google Meet, and only who are registered with us and properly they will be getting a course completion certificate and internship certificate as well. And it will be even more interactive. Everyday assignments will be there, and weekly once test will be there, online test will be having. If you are staying in Bangalore and if you face any doubts, you can visit us, like you can make a batch or make a set of friends and come and visit us and clear the doubts in offline mode as well. So we are going ahead with internship class. We'll be announcing soon, maybe today or tomorrow we would be announcing that. Okay, so can I know how many of you are interested? Say yes if you are interested. Courses fees, yes, I will share the courses fees details soon. Okay, free courses for internship. It's not free actually. The we will share the fee structure for that. Yes, okay, we are getting a very good yeses. So exciting, very nice. Okay, so we'll start with the session today. Okay, so to install, I'm going ahead with Turtle now. Turtle, to work with Turtle, you need to install the Turtle. Okay, to install the Turtle, very simple. You have to go for the command prompt. Okay, so command prompt or terminal in Mac OS. Okay, so you have to say pip install Python Turtle. Okay, so Python Turtle without space it has to be. So now here I have already installed, so it is showing me requirement already satisfied. Okay, can we start with Turtle now? Hope you guys are excited. Yes. Okay, so now to start with Turtle, first and foremost thing is, just like we have imported date and time module, and also just like we have imported random module, we are supposed to import the Turtle as well. Turtle is an external library that we just installed. Okay, so I'm going to say that import Turtle, and then I'm going to say that t is equal to t dot. So I have to say that turtle dot turtle. And here, what is this particular turtle dot turtle is? Here you can see that t, whatever the t, I'm taking an instance. It's something like I'm creating an object. So what you can do is you can import from turtle, you can import turtle as well. Like that also. There are various ways of importing it. I'll show you. Okay. So now I have imported turtle. So t is an instance now. So let me say t dot forward. I want to bring turtle a bit forward. Okay, forward for 100 units, just forward. Okay, just the forward I'm bringing 100 units. Then I'll say once it started moving and it stopped at the 100, so we're going to say that turtle dot done. Okay. So here you are not supposed to say t dot done. It is supposed to, we are supposed to say turtle dot done. Okay. I'll save this and click on execute. Okay. So to save it, you can, now you can see that turtle has come forward and stopped, right? Can you see this? Perfect. So now you can see that turtle dot done we are having. Okay. So after this, what else we can do? We can turn the turtle a little right as well. Let us see how we can turn. So I'm going to say that in the just next line, t dot right. Okay. So right, I'll just turn the turtle, tilt the turtle for 45-degree. So it is supposed to be dot right, not comma. Okay. Now I'm going to, after turning, I'm going to go forward for 100 unit. So I'm just going to copy down this. You paste it over here. Okay. Now I'll save this and I'll execute. Now you can see that it has moved forward, turned 45-degree, and it came again 100. Okay, 100 forward it came. Now I'll turn a left 45-degree. I'll just copy down this, and after this I'll just place it and make it as left. Okay. So, and after that, I need to come a little forward. After tilting for 45-degree, I need to come forward again. So I'll just paste this. Now, let me save this and execute. Now you can see that it came and it tilted 45-degree and then it moved forward for 100. So if you want to make it tilt again right. So what I'll do is I'll tilt it again right. So here I'll just copy down these two statements. Okay, and here right I'm having, so here instead of 100 I'll make it as 300. So I'll just save this and execute. Now you can see that how it went. So now here you can see that this is, let us check if I go for minus 350 and plus 350 what it will be. So now I'll come over here. So instead of this I'll say 350, I'll say over here. Okay, I'll say 350 and I'll just copy down this again. And here I'll say minus, so I'll say 350. Okay, so instead of forward, I'll say go to minus 350. Let us see how this is going to work. Now you can see that. So here what just happened is go to the spelling is wrong. So here I'll just change this go to minus 350. It's not working. Now I'll change this. Later I'll show you how you can do it with go to, with like where you have to go to that particular point. So here it is saying the argument error you are having over here. Okay. So t dot go to, it's not working over here. So I'll show you how you can work with t dot go to. And here I have went to 350 and turn right again. So this is how you can turn right, forward, turn left. That's how you can work with. Which compiler you are using? Where to use? The compiler I'm using idle. I'm using the idle. I show you earlier how to use the idle as well. Okay, this turtle is very easy. You don't have to worry. Okay, turtle is very much easier. You don't have to worry. We'll see more and more programs now. We'll understand it even better. If you missed till now also, if you see right away also, you will be able to understand this. Okay, so now import turtle, I'll leave as it is. So let us understand how you can draw a square using turtle. So now to draw square, I have to move one right side, like I have to right side forward and turn right for 90-degree and come again forward and again same turn left and again same thing. So I have to go in this way, right 90 forward, right 90 forward, like that I have to go. So I might have to repeat this for 4 times, isn't it? So let us write the program now. So for that I'm going to say that for I in range, or you can use underscore, or you can use the underscore or I or j, whatever the variable you need. For hyphen or underscore in range of 4. Why I'm taking 4 over here? Because I have 4 sides in square. So after that, I'm going to say that, so what I need to do is 4 times I have to go forward, turn right, go forward, turn right, go forward, and turn right. For turn right, 90 degree. Why? Because I am having a 90-degree angle in the square. And rectangle, you can do a reverse way. You can go in range of 4 underscore in range of 2 and then repeat the two things. So now I'm going to say that T dot forward 100. Okay, so after 100, what I need to do? I need to go turn, take right. So I'm going to say that right, T dot right. In this right, I'm going to make the 90-degree angle. Okay, 90-degree. And after that, I need to say that turtle dot run just after for loop. So I'm going to say that turtle dot done to make sure that I have stopped the turtle working. Now you can see that how it's drawing the square. Okay, I hope everybody got the point. Yes, are you able to follow this? Can I get the answers? Are you able to follow this? Why is turtle necessary? For the graphics purpose, nothing else. For the graphic purpose, it's necessary. That's it. For drawing and for drawing the graphics, building small games, it's necessary. You can build a small games as well using turtle. So how to change the pen color and also how to change the background color and how to change the pen size, let us see. So what I'll do is I'm going to say that T dot pen size. So I'll increase to somewhere around uh, 20 will be very more. So I'll just make it as 5. Okay. So now if you want to change the pen color, T dot, you can say pen color. Pen color, let me change as the blue. Okay, so blue I'll make it. So now let me save this. Okay, and run it and see how this is going to work. Okay, so here there is an error, that is nothing but dot. So I'll just save this again and run it. Now you can see that pen size got increased and also we are getting the color of blue color. Okay. So now let us see the star pattern. Star pattern, you can observe that very simple is we need to change the angle. We need to, so here we are having 90-degree and we are having how many sides in the star? How many sides in the star we are having? 5 sides. So I'll make it as 5 sides over here and let me make this as a golden color, and forward I'll make it as 100 itself. And here the angle between in the star is nothing but we are having the 144. Okay, so here I'll just keep it as 144 and let me save this and let me execute it. Star pentagon pattern. Okay, so we are okay, bad color it is saying. So the golden color is not available. Let me say it as gold and check if it's working. Okay, gold does work. So here you can see that we are getting 5 sides and here the angle between each is 144. Okay, so 144 is the angle between each of the line. That's the reason I made it as 144 angle over here. Okay, very good. We are getting a lot of answers in the chat. Okay, now after this, let us do one more thing. So we're gonna start with a spiral. Okay, so how I can do the spiral? So here the spiral means what? What is a spiral pattern? Can you answer it in the chat? What is a spiral pattern? 100 is nothing but, okay, so what I'll do is here You might have a doubt with 100. So first I'll explain with the 100. So here 100 is nothing but the length, how much it has to go forward. Length of that particular line, we are speaking about the 100. So let me increase this to 300. Okay. I'll just save this and execute it. Now you can see that. So hope this was clear. Now I've increased to 300. So we are getting a bigger lines. Hope this is clear. Let me make this as a pink color now. And I'll make this as for I in range of 50. And every time the spiral like structure, if I want to make a spiral like structure, I need to keep on increment the length of that particular line. So it will start with a small line, then turn for a 45 degrees, start with a, then increase the line thing like this, the spiral structure will be there. So what I'll do is every time to increase the line value, the line value. So I'm going to take it as I over here, and I multiply this I every time with 5. Initially, I'll start with the 5 value as a line, and then I'll increase the value by 2, means 2 into 5 would be 10. 10, 15, then again 20, 25, like that. It will keep on increasing like this. So here, instead of 41, 44, I'll make this as 45, and I'll save this and execute it. So now you can see that we are getting a spiral like kind of structure. So initially it started with 5, 15, 25, like that. It kept on increasing the values, and it will go for 50 times. How many times it will go? It will go for 50 times. Spring like structure, very good. So many answers we are getting. Can you answer now? Is it clear, everybody? So now if I make this as 100, okay, I'll make this as 100. I'm going to get a bigger spiral, and I'll increase the pen size by 10. And let me make this as gold color itself. It was looking good. So I'll just execute this. Now you can see that how beautiful it is looking. Okay. Okay. So now hope everybody are understanding this. I hope there are no doubts in this as of now. So we'll continue with the next topic, how to write a name. To write a name here, I have as a pen size, and also I'm having a pen color gold, and this I'll just remove this part. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'm going to write the text. To write the text, it's very simple. T dot write. So here I'm going to write it as maybe technologies, and let me take the font over here as, okay, comma font equal to, so which font can we take? We'll take the Arial. And all the most of the fonts are that you can see in your Google Docs, and you can see normally in Canva or anywhere that you see a different kind of fonts, it's available over here. And font size, you can keep it as over here as, so after font, so here itself we can say 30, and I'll make it as bold. Okay, so bold, and here after that you can make it as T dot, not T, turtle dot done. Done is a method, so that's the reason we are having dot and done. So here you can see that maybe technologies, it's E, and here I can make it as 100. Let me save this and execute it. Now it will be writing something like this, maybe technologies. So it went just even more than the screen. The screen size is actually 350. Okay, starting from minus 350 here you can see that down it is nothing but minus 350, top it is 350, and here minus 350. So this is the point 0 we are having. Here you can see that this is the point we are having 0, and plus 350, plus 350, minus 350, and minus 350. This is the axis that we are having in the turtle. Okay, so I hope everybody are clear till now. The color, pen size, color, and also the and also right and forward, right, all these commands are clear for you. I hope that these things are clear, and hoping that you guys are having all these things in your mind, I'm going forward now. Okay, so now we have understood the axis and all. So let us try to understand the better for the axis. Okay, so pen size and turtle, all these things we are having. So if you want to keep the color as well, you can keep the color as well. So let me remove this. Okay, so I'll just remove that. Okay, text over here. So now if you want to, I'll just make the screen name over here as, okay, to make the screen name or turtle screen, or if you want to start with the screen, you can say that screen is equal to turtle dot screen, and here you can give a name for the screen as well, py turtle or something. Okay, I'll just save this, and now you can see that PyTurtle. So here it will be having a screen, but it's we do not have any program yet. So okay, it doesn't take an argument. I'll show you how you can write the screen name. Okay, so name of the screen, how you can give the title for the screen, I'll show you. So we have just formed this turtle screen. So later, how you can access those screen, I'll tell you now. Now you just look at how it's going to work with the access. So I'm going to say that t dot pen up. So what does it do? It will start with the pen. That's it. Pen up. Pen down means it stop. Pen up means it is start. Then I'll say t dot go to. So here I have to give two positions. So I'm going to say that minus 200 comma 0. What this is, minus 200 comma 0 is nothing but minus 200 x-axis and 0 y-axis I'm going to start. Okay, so it will go to that particular point. Pen up means it's going to a pen, starting of the pen. Then go to means it will go for that particular position. Minus 200 is the x and y is nothing but 0. So now I'll say that pen t dot pen down. So t dot pen down means it will down the pen, off the pen, something like on the pen, off the pen, you make it. Okay, t dot forward. So it will go for the forward. How much forward it has to go? It will go for 400 forward. Okay. So after that, now I'm drawing the x-axis. I'm just drawing the x-axis like this. Sorry, x-axis like this I'm drawing. So after drawing the x-axis 400, now I'll say t dot pen up. Okay. So then I'll just copy these things. So it will go to, now let me drawing the y-axis means this will become vice versa. So x-axis is 0 and y-axis will be minus 200. Okay. So now it will go 400 again. Then I'll say turtle dot done. You will understand what is the axis and what is pen up and pen down now. Okay. So I'm going to say that turtle dot done. Now you can see that how it went. So here it started with this, and now it came to this point and started like this. I'll just go back and explain it. Once it's here, you can see there is a space between this and this. How it went? Because of pen up and pen down. Okay, pen up and pen down, this has happened. Now I'll just execute it again. So here 0 comma minus 2, pen down. Okay, pen up. And one more thing is I had to do one more thing. I to get an y-axis properly, I should have said left. So before going forward, I have to say, because what just happened, it came here and it has supposed to go something like this. It has supposed to go something like this, but it went towards right because I did not say left. So I'm going to say that t dot left for 90 degree. Okay, so now I'll save this and execute once again. So now you can see that it came here and it draws something like this because I have gave over here a pen down and come to 0 comma minus 200. This is the point 0 comma minus 200 where x axis is minus 200, y is 0. It came over here and it went to the point was like this. The arrow was like this and it came to like this because of left 90. It just tilted the angle towards left side 90 degree. This is how the turtle works. Hope pen up and pen down is like understanding for you. Pen up, pen down, forward, go to. All these things are clear for you. Can I get the answer? Is it clear? Can I get the answer? Okay. Thank you for answering. Yes. So now let us understand some more colors with the random colors, how I can change the random colors. And also I can give a turtle face as well. So if you want to increase the speed, you can say that T dot speed. Now let us start with that. So now let this be pen, just, remove this pen color and say that I'm taking a list of colors where I'm taking it as. So initially I'll start with red, blue, and let me go ahead with green. Which what else color you want me to take? Yellow, and I'll take purple. Okay, not all the colors available, some popular colors are available. If you want to use all the colors that are different shades, maybe like hot pink or something else like that, you can use the hashtag of that hashtag colors. Okay, so now what I'll do is, so if I want to choose a different colors and draw the circles, so I'm going to draw the different circles with the random colors. To draw that, I might want to draw a circle, like to draw a circle, it's nothing but T dot circle. If you use, you will get a circle. So now I'm going to say that for I in or maybe underscore, you can use I in range of, okay, range of, so I might want to draw a 50 or 36. I'll draw 36 circles or maybe 60 circles also you can do. So that I'm going to say that T dot color, every time it's going to change the color. So how can I change the color is, I can say random. So randomly it can select any one of this color. To select any one of this color, I'm going to say that yesterday we have learnt about random, isn't it? Random dot choice of what it has to be. I have to take this and put it inside over here. So I'm going to say that colors, random dot, like every circle would be a different color. Okay, so if you want to add some more colors, you can add some more colors as well. So if you want gold, or if you want a silver, whether it is there or not, I'm not sure. Let us check it out. Okay, so randomly it's going to take the colors. Okay, so after that I'm going to say circle, T dot circle. It's going to draw the circle of whatever the radius that you're going to give. So I'm going to say that T dot circle, and I'm going to give the radius as 50. I will change the radius based on the based on the output that we are getting. So then I'm going to say that T dot, after drawing one circle, I'm not repeating on the same circle, or else I'll show you how you can just first I'll draw the circle, then change the angle and see how it is going to work. Let us execute only till here as of now. Okay, so random, I need to import the random. We are getting an error. You can see over here is random not defined. So for that, I'm going to say that import random. Okay, so after importing the random, let us save it and execute it. Okay. Okay, so here the spelling mistake was there. So let me save this and execute again. Now you can see that it is drawing the circle. On top of it only, it's drawing a different colors. You can see that on top of it, it's drawing a different colors. So this will happen till 36 times. So let us change the angle and see. So I'll just stop this in between. Okay. So if you want to increase the speed of it, you can say that t dot speed. Okay, t dot speed, I'm going to make the speed as 1, and here I'll say that over here pen size as 5 to look better. And here I'll just, after circle, drawing the circle, I'll change the angle of the circle. So I'm going to say that t dot left or right, whichever you want, you can take it. I'll take left and I'll make it as 10 degree. And then after that, I'm going to say that turtle dot done. Okay, so now I'll execute it. Let us see how this is going to work. Now you can see that how it is changing the angle. So here you can see that how it is changing the angle and drawing. So now I think the speed is actually very less. So what I'll do is I'll just change the speed to 0 and I'll save this. And here I'll make this angle as 15. Okay, I'll just save it again and execute it. Now you can see how it is working. So how it went, you can see that. I hope everybody understood how it is working. Let me increase the angle by 20 and here by 100 so that it will increase the size of that circle. Okay, so now you can see how it is looking. Okay, so you can see it's something like a bangle structure. Hope everybody understood. Yes, hope everybody understood. Okay, we can have a multiple turtles as well. So let us say, so here I'm having T1. Okay, so I'll copy the same thing and I'll go for T2. Okay, so T I'm having over here. So I'll just copy it and here I'll paste it. And instead of T1, I'm just making it as T1. And here I'll just make T1, T1. And here again I'll make it as T1, T1, and here also T1, and I'll remove turtle done over here and save this and execute. Okay, so here you can see that it is working for 36, more than 36 times. Okay, so how I can know that it is working for more than 36? So I'll just keep it as red. I'll just remove all the colors over here and let me make it as, rather than that, let me give some other color, pink, and I'll make it as black. Okay, let me save this and execute. Now you can see that how it is working. So later it will be more red and black. Now you can see that red, black and pink. So what just happened? So first turtle 1 worked, then turtle 2 worked. Okay, so I hope everybody are getting make lion mom. So okay, so after completing this syllabus, we'll make the lion as well. So I hope everybody have understood the spiral structure, square, circle, and all these things. Let us do one more thing. We're gonna start a turtle racing game. Okay, so we need random for that, turtle for that. So now, first and foremost thing is let us. Okay, I'll just make we need the screen, we need the turtle. So here, how many turtles we need? It's very important. So for here, I'm going to give the turtle title as well. So I'll just speed pen size. Okay, we don't need the pen for this. I'll remove this. Speed, okay, speed also I'll remove. So here I'm going to say that, so screen. So we are having a, we got the screen, right? So after that I can say that screen dot title. I'm going to say that title, what can we give? We can say that turtle race. So this is a small game that we're gonna build now. Okay. So after the turtle race, we need to set up the turtle race, the height and the width, the box where the turtle has to go for a race. I need the width and height of the box. So for that, I'm going to say that this is the use of the screen that I'm talking about, where you can give the turtle title, screen title, and also screen height, width. You can set it up. So I'm going to say that dot set up with turtle screen. I'm going to set up with the height and width. Let us, the always starting should be width, then the height will come. So 800 width I'm taking, and then I'm taking the height of is equal to 400. Okay, so height I'm taking 400. Now let me take colors equal to, so I'll take I'm going to take five different title for five different turtles who are going to race now. So I'm going to start with the colors. Red color, and I'll say blue, then green, then let me go for pink. Whatever the color you want, you can take it. Okay, black. So these are the colors that I'm taking for the turtle race. So we do not have any racers now, so I'll keep the racers is equal to empty. Right now we do not have any racers. So now I'm going to say that, so here whatever the racers, I'm going to take the positions and everything. So now we have to start with the racers. What are the racers we are having? We need to start that. So let us say racers are empty, the Y positions, where it has to start and where it has to end. So I'm going to say that Y positions equal to, so here I'm having 100, comma 50, comma, I'm going to start with the Y positions, means what are the positions of Y that I'm including over here. Okay, 100, 50, and then okay, so I'll start with the positions. Total five positions I need. So where turtle 1, turtle 2, turtle 3, turtle 4, turtle 5 will be there going for a race. So I need, okay, 0, 150 is 0, and then I'll take 50 again, then I'll take 100 over here. That means five turtles in the five positions, they are available right now. So I'm going to say that for I in range of, so I am going to go ahead for 4 as of now, 4. Okay, so here I'll take 4, and then I'll take racer is equal to, this is the racer number 1. Okay, racer number 1 is equal to turtle dot turtle. Okay, so in this turtle I'm going to give a shape of the turtle. Sure, I have to see the shape of the turtle, like there should be a icon, turtle icon for us. So that's the reason I'm giving over here as turtle. Okay, so turtle shape I'm going to get, and this is supposed to be small t, I guess. Yes, small t. I think if the small t doesn't work, we'll change back to capital T. After that I'm going to say that racer here. Okay, so here I need to take this as racer is equal to, I think the racer spelling is wrong over here. Racer dot color. I need to select the color, right? So color of that particular turtle. So how many colors am I having over here? I'm having overall 5 colors, right? So here I should make it as 5 turtles, not 4 turtles, because I'm having 5 colors, 5 positions over here. So 5 turtles I'm including over here. Okay. So racer dot color. So in this color, I'm going to say that colors of I over here. So first turtle will be red color starting at 100 position. Second turtle will be blue color starting at 50 position. Third turtle would be green color starting at 0 position. Okay. So then after this colors I'll be having. Then I have to make the pen up, because pen up, why? Because turtle, pen up, pen down, turtle, pen up, pen down turtle, like that I need to get it. Okay, so now let us say racer dot pen up. Okay, pen up, that means I'm starting with that position. Then I'm going to say that racer dot go to minus 350. So minus 350 is nothing but exposition, end of that. Here you can see that we are taking the width of 800. So starting at 0, going to the minus 350, the position of x I'm talking about. Okay, 350 comma y position. Y positions would be I that I have set. Okay, so minus 350 would be the x position. Y position is according to this y position, so I have taken according to the I. So first one will be 100, second one will be 50, third one will be 0, like that it will work. Then I'm going to say that racers. Okay, so racers that we are having over here dot append. Okay, so what I need to append? Every racer. Once the racer is ready, we'll append the racer over here. Okay, so you might getting a little confused, but you will understand looking at the output later. Okay, so I'm going to say over here as racer on. Okay, racer on equal to true. That means we have started the racing now. So now I'll just save this. Okay, and execute it. Okay, now you can see that we have one turtle over here ready. Why it is not working for all the turtle? Because we have not put it in the for loop yet. Okay, for I in range of 5 racer, we have to put it all in 5. If you want to see all 5, we have to put it in the loop. So now here you can see that all the racers are ready, but only one racer is visible. Okay, now what I'll say is while race on. Okay, race on, racer on, right? Here I've taken it as racer, so I should take it as racer on. That means it's nothing but while true loop, that just like we have learned in the yesterday's class. So racer on, so for racer in racers. Okay, so now all the racers will be visible. For racer in racers, I'm talking about each and individually racer. What they will do is they will go to their positions. After going to their position, they will start, each and every turtle will move forward with the random step size. Okay, so random step size, if I want that, I need to choose the rand int, and also to move forward I need to use forward. So I'm going to say that racer dot forward. Okay, racer dot forward, so it has to go for random step size. So I'm going to say that random dot rand int 1 comma 10. Okay, so the step size would be somewhere like one. Sometimes one racer go for one step, sometimes one racer go for 10 steps. So it will be random size, it will keep on going. So turtle, it's something like actual bet, the turtle bet, that's it. So turtle screen title also you can see over here as turtle race, isn't it? So now after this, what I can do is I can say that if, so whoever finishes the line first, I'm going to get the answer as done. So I'm going to say that racer dot x, this is nothing but coordinate, x coordinate. I'm checking the each and every racer's x coordinates. If it's greater than or equal to 350, 350 is something like I'm drawing the line. That means 350 is the last line I'm drawing. So if they reach that particular line, that means that turtle will win. So for that, I'm going to say that racer, so it is going to stop. That means racer, like the race or the particular, the duration will stop. So once one turtle reaches the last position, the game will be stopped. For that, I'm going to say that racer on equal to false. So that to stop the race once one turtle reaches the last position. Okay, so after this, I'm going to say that print, I need to know which racer won, right? So for that, I'm going to say that, so here we'll say racer dot color, and so I need to say pen color, not just color, pen color, comma, or you can just directly say turtle won the game. Okay, so now I'll break the loop. Once any of the turtle wins, we need to break it. Okay, so we are getting so many yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Thank you so much for being online and listening with patience. Now we'll execute this and see how it is going to work. So after that we'll add some more additions for this. Okay, turtle dot done. Now let us save this and execute. Invalid syntax, comma. Somewhere I have given the comma. Okay, I need to start with the this one. The problem over here is I need to use the braces over here. I'm sorry. And I need to use this particular one over here. And here I need to give it as the brackets. That was the mistake. Now, okay, so what's the problem over here? Racer is equal to true. Position for I in range of 5 works. Append. Okay, here I need to give it as racers, not the racer. That's the reason this we are getting over here. Turtle object has no attribute called append. That was the problem. Earlier as well, that was the problem. I'm sorry, I didn't notice the error over here. Okay, so let us execute this. Now you can see that all the turtles are ready, all the 5 turtles and turtles going forward. Let us see which turtle will win. Okay, turtles are going forward, forward, forward. Okay, I think the red turtle won, I guess. Let us see. Turtle won the game. Which turtle? Pen color. I think I have given the pen color should be over here as pen color. That's the right one. Okay, I need to use this brackets to get the color. That was the problem. So I think everybody loved the yes, very good. Nature love or somebody in the chat box correcting the error. Very good. What's your name? And racers up and yes, perfect. Thank you for noticing it. Okay, so now let us say this one. Let us go ahead and draw the finishing line as well over here. I hope everybody understood till here. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Anybody? Everybody understood, I hope. Let us add a background color for this as well. Can we add the background color? So we will add the background color now. Screen dot bg color, and in this bg color we'll add the light green or whatever you want, you can add it. So light green also, it's small one, all the small letters in the colors, light green. Okay, so this is how we can start with as well. So we are having the colors and everything. So hope everybody liked this particular racer game. So now I'll just I'll start with this. I'll just start the game now. So let us see who will win the game. Can you bet now? Can we start betting? Can we start betting on the turtles? Yes. Yes. Which turtle will win? Which turtle would win? Okay, so betting which turtle will win. Let us execute this program and see which turtle would win. Yes. Start betting. Red. Okay, we'll see. I think blue is coming a little forward. Which turtle will win? Black color. I think green turtle won. So who were right? Who were right at this time? So green turtle has won. Red, red, red. Many has said red. Green turtle has won. Okay. So I hope everybody everybody have understood with today's session, right? So do you guys have any doubts in today's session? Hope you loved this session. Yes, three-dimensional, four-dimensional shapes and all we can draw. We can do a lots and lots of things in this turtle. We'll see some more programs in internship classes if you guys are joining with us. Thank you so much for joining. Please leave your names, and also please make sure that you will comment it for the video, not in this live chat. So once we stop this, and like I'll share the link in the group after use in that link, you please comment it down how you felt about this particular workshop. I have started recording with this. Please make sure that you will comment it for the chat, not your USN. Please don't comment for the video USN and your name and all. Please comment how you felt this particular workshop in the video. Okay, I think everybody understood what I'm saying. In the live chat, you comment down your name, college, and the USN possibly. Thank you so much for this wonderful feedback. Please make sure that you will comment it down in the video. I'll share the link once this particular live video is ended. I'll share the link in the group. Please make sure that you will just enter the any comment that how you like this particular video. Okay. And one more thing is not just over here, please fill the feedback form so that in that particular part, I have mentioned that what will be covered, right? So in that what will be covered, if you have attended the whole session, you will get to know what we have covered. So majorly, we are relying for the certificate on that feedback form from the day 1 to day 5. So make sure that anyway, all the feedback links are in the group. If you have missed any of the classes, you rewatch it, fill the feedback form, so we will get to know that you guys are attending and understanding all the concepts. Once you have entered that the concepts, whatever the concept that you have understood, if you have entered in that, we will get to know that you have understood the concept and entered. So make sure that you are filling that in the feedback form as well. That is very very important to receive this certificate. Feedback form, we majorly sending it to make to understand that how many are daily attending. Okay, that is very important to fill the feedback form. Thank you so much for joining today. We'll meet tomorrow with more of the information. The internship classes and every details will be sent tomorrow in the chat as well, and we'll be explaining it in the video as well. Please make sure that you're not missing the tomorrow's session. It's very important session as well. Okay, we'll understand about the emojis, QR codes, and also more and more about the Python. Okay, thank you so much for joining today. Please make sure that you will have your dinner, sleep well, take care, bye bye. We'll meet tomorrow, and don't forget to comment it for the video. Thank you.